In yet another untoward incident, 8 labourers in southwest Khasi Hills were attacked last night. Out of the 8, 4 were brutally injured and brought to Shillong Civil Hospital. Out of the 4, 20-year-old Raju Mandal passed away, who had succumbed to his injuries.
The attack took place at about 11 p.m. on February 24, when 8 workers at the under-construction St. Xavier's Girls' Hostel in Umoid in southwest Khasi Hills were sleeping. One of the workers, Aminul Islam, says about 25 unknown people barged into their room and started attacking with sticks and machetes. One of the workers succumbed to his injuries at about 7 a.m. on Thursday.
अचानक 20-25 आदमी आकर दरवाज़ा टूट के हम लोग को पूरा मारपीट शुरू किया। हम लोग तो सब नींद में था, हम तो देखा नहीं, हम सब 100 आदमी था। अचानक मारते मारते पूरा मारपीट किया। लाठी से मारा है और दाव से मारा है और जूता से मारा है हमको। पूरा मारपीट किया। उधर हमारा जो भाई है राजू मंडल, वो भी उसको एक डंडा मार दिया, माथा में मार दिया, डंडा से मारा है माथा में, वो तो बेहोश हो गया। बाद में हम फादर को फ़ोन किया, 11:30 बजे फादर हमारा उधर पहुंच गया। फादर आके हमको हॉस्पिटल लेके गया, मकरिंग न किया है, उसको जगह का नाम सिविल है न क्या, उस हॉस्पिटल में लेके गया हमको। उसके बाद उधर आधा घंटा का बाद बोला है राजू के यहाँ से रिलीज़ देना होगा, शिलोंग लेके जाओ। हम लोग आधा घंटा लेट करके शिलोंग में आया। शिलोंग में पहुँचते हमको 4 बज गया। 4 बजने के बाद में हम लोग हमारा भाई को इधर एडमिशन करवा दिया और उसके बाद सोनोग्राफी किया। 7:30-8 बजे वो चला गया, मर गया।
The attacked construction workers had reached Umoid from Assam on the morning of February 24. Congress MLA Ampareen Lingdo reached the civil hospital in order to take stock of the situation and took responsibility for providing a safe passage for the workers to Assam.
It is unfortunate that the miscreants came in the dark of the night at 11 p.m. and we know clearly that was an intention of those that came, 25, 27 young people, mostly in mask. It was so sudden, nobody was able to identify. So now police of Southwest Khasi Hills has to ensure that they nab the culprits, and I'm happy to also hear from the St. Xavier's authorities that even local NGOs are assisting, even stakeholders of the village communities are all on the same page and on board to try and get behind nabbing these miscreants with criminal intent.
Meanwhile, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said appropriate action will be taken against those responsible in order to avoid any such incident in the future.
See, whenever any kind of incident like this happens, these incidents are being done by individuals who have or will be termed as criminals. And in fact, if the death has taken place, then they are murderers. So obviously there is law that is there in place to deal with this, and we will be dealing with this in the appropriate manner. Those people who are responsible for this kind of act will not be allowed to go freely, and we will ensure that more aggressive action is taken so that future these kind of incidents don't happen, and the people who are involved in this, as I said, will be brought to justice.
The 8 labourers who are from Assam with an intention to only carry out their job, and that was to build or carry out the construction work in St. Xavier's College in Umoid in southwest Khasi Hills, were unfortunately attacked by these masked miscreants, and they were taken by surprise when they were attacked in the middle of the night at 11:30 p.m. Now here at Civil Hospital, while arrangements are being made, MLA Ampareen Lingdo is also here and taken the responsibility to arrange the mortuary van and also to give a safe passage for the remaining victims who are now in a state of shock. She has spoken to East Mojo and she has condemned such a gruesome incident, even the Chief Minister also has termed this as a criminal act. Now what remains to be seen is, will such kind of any untoward incident be avoided? This is Princess Rashir for EastMojo.com in Shillong.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.